welcome back to my channel. In this week's video we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. I don't like to waste time, so let's get into it.
I was at the Hermes store and I got my Balenciagas.
So we all know everybody is currently obsessing over Bottega Veneta, and especially now that Daniel Lee has left the company, I feel like all the girlies are kind of freaking out and buying whatever. Regardless, I always wanted something and I picked up a tiny handbag from them. I picked up the Bottega Veneta mini cassette bag, and I'm obsessed with my mini bags. I heard that large handbags are in. I could care less. I have this thing right now with small handbags that are such a bold pop of color. I find like it gives a small touch of something bright because I don't like when something's too over the top. This handbag does come in like the regular medium or large size that it is, so if you wanted something bigger you could always go for that, but I can't. I just got it today, so again I'm gonna try not to freak out. We're gonna explain it. This is the, in my opinion, the classic Bottega green color. Someone I guess could argue, because Bottega has a few different greens that they do, but I would say it's the classic Bottega green, reason being currently matches their logo. So you can see, like, I find this green matches it pretty closely. I had purchased a few things in this Bottega green from other brands like Zara and whatnot, and it wasn't giving me what it needed to give. But this is just, when you see the color in person, it is so good. I also now finally understand what people talk about when they talk about Bottega's leathers. It feels so buttery soft, and I could really see why their price point is a little bit higher when it comes to handbags. It just has their classic interlocking woven leather. It has a magnetic flap closure, and then when you get on the interior of the bag, it's just one large compartment, a slot for a couple cards, a bit of room. And when I say a bit of room, I mean a little bit of room. This cannot hold my phone whatsoever. It's smaller than my Jacquemus nude bag. I mean, it kind of is what it is. I feel like we'll get into what can fit into it in a moment, but again, I just feel like the pop of color in this size is just so cute. It also features just the classic leather strap featuring gold hardware, which is what I prefer because I wear a lot of gold jewelry. The strap here is also adjustable. It has quite a few holes that you can adjust it to. I like a shorter crossbody, so I made it a little bit shorter, but it could definitely be shorter than how I'm modeling it. A little rectangle. On that little card holder thing, it also says Bottega Veneta, made in Italy. First impressions, it's really good. I literally quickly went out to the mall with it and it was raining, and it's funny, when water first hits it, it leaves a watermark, and I was like freaking out. I was like, oh my gosh, I just got this bag. Like, what am I doing with my life? But the water dries like completely clear. In terms of what can fit inside, now right now I'm about to go to dinner, and it really just fits like the necessities. So inside here I have my Chanel compact mirror. I usually keep it in this little velvet case, but you can totally take it out if you want. My hands always get dry, so I have a L'Occitane hand cream, and what's nice about these is the metal tube you can kind of fold up to like have a little bit more room in there. Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, a few ID cards, and then in the card holder can really comfortably fit 2 cards, so try not to stuff 3 or 4, but in that card holder I just have like my credit card and my debit card, and then it can also fit I don't have AirPods, I have the Beats. That all fits in there, but I don't even really need this. So I could take this out, and because I was planning on putting my phone in my pocket because it can't fit in here whatsoever, and my hand sanitizer in my pocket, but I could totally put the hand sanitizer in here and replace that for the Beats earpods. This handbag comes in an array of colors. I believe this green color is called Parakeet. Again, I will have everything linked down below. This handbag is currently in stock at a lot of places. I will link all the places that you can shop it at, so don't sleep, because the last time with that pink handbag, the Jacquemus one, it was basically gone everywhere. I picked this one up from Matches Fashion. Most online retailers, it comes in a pink and then a white. The official Bottega website also has like an array of colors, and even Essence as well too. It also comes in black. I've seen it in nude. I've seen it in so many colors, so I will have everything linked down below so you guys can browse it. I can't wait to style it this fall winter with like all black outfits like I'm gonna do for dinner right now, and I just think it's gonna be the perfect pop for like the colder months, right? Like the seasonal depressions. Like I spoke about this in my trend video, and like I like this for this season. That was my first impressions and unboxing of the Bottega Veneta mini cassette handbag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you watch these other videos that you may have missed. Click my head to subscribe and follow me on these other socials to see how I'm going to style it up and stuff. And don't forget to click the bell so you know when I upload new videos. I love you guys so much, and take care.